Hello guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've posted any tutorial, so today, I've decided to post a quick tutorial that someone requested in the comment section. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can create a pop-up bars effect using only Alight motion. So, let's just start the tutorial without wasting your time. First add a shape layer, then fill the composition area. Again, add a shape layer, then cut the layers. Click on the second layer and follow my steps. Once you're done with that, click on the first layer, change the color into whatever you like. And now, just follow my steps. Now, group both layers. Add Gaussian blur, and set the strength whatever you like. Now, add the deep glow effect, and follow my settings. Click on the group layer and do this. Alright, the tutorial is finished. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.